Yes, I'm going to discuss about letter writing, letter to the editor. So we are going to discuss what is very important from examination point of view. So let's discuss about this letter to the editor, and then we'll take up article writing. Yes. So at the beginning, we'll study about letter to the editor and some of the exercises which will appear in the examination. Shall we take up that? Yes. So here is a brief introduction about letter writing, and after this brief introduction, there are going to be exercises, MCQ questions, which will be appearing in the first term ending examination. Yes, shall I go ahead? Yes, am I audible?
Yes,
Audible,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, letter writing is the most common form of written communication. It is means of connecting people. Letter is better than a telephonic conversations as it gives better, and more creative expression of thought than a conversation on phone. Okay, here is a brief introduction about that kind of introductory paragraph here. The advent of digital communication, like email, has added to the popularity and usefulness of letters. Writing letters is an art which everyone must develop and master with continuous practice. Letters may be categorized into two major types. One is informal and another one is formal. Okay, the formal are official letters. We'll move on straight to that, and yes, letter to the editor, which is very very important. That's again a formal type of letter. Application for job, that is also formal. So you can categorize as formal and informal. And yes, in the formal, all official letters. Informal, when you are writing to your relatives, close friends, or your parents. Okay. With this brief introduction, I'm just moving on to the next, what is very important for us. So we'll focus more on that. So key points for letters to the editors. Now, letter to the editor, that is here for you in this term ending examination. So begin with a reference to new events, recent development. Create a context for developing the content. Give details of the subject matter, that is namely the issue of child labor. So what is it about, its causes, effects, and possible. Okay. So now we are moving down to the questions. So shall we go to the questions now? I'll just read up that introductory part, which is not very important for us. Now this is very very important. Okay. Now we are going to see how the questions are going to be there in the examination. So here write a letter to the editor. Like this only it will come in the examination. Write a letter to the editor of the Hindustan Times complaining against the bursting level of noise pollution in your city. So the address will be given, letter will be given. You need not draft. Earlier, what was it? There used to be a question and you used to draft it. So that was subject to, I mean, that was the usually the case. But now since it's going to be MCQ type, so that's why they'll give the sample. Now let's see here how you have to write that. 16th August 2021, the editor, the Hindustan Times, Nagpur. Then subject is given there, concern over rising level of noise. So one sample letter is given here. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the. So this is the introductory paragraph to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the rising noise pollution in our cities. Despite laws made by the government banning the use of loudspeakers and DJs after a particular time, people seem to turn a deaf ear to what the government tells them. Marriage processions till late night in the middle of the cities and DJs' loud music are all sources of noise which have an adverse effect on older and the ailing members of the society. So, for first of all, the first one is introductory paragraph. The second one is a body paragraph that you can expand that. Students are the main victims, especially during examination days. Not only does it affect health, yes, boys, am I not audible?
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Now you are
I'm
audible.
audible. Okay, okay, fine. Now I'm audible. Okay, I'm just okay. Right. I'm just reading out this letter so that next we'll see the questions on this. It causes elements like, so they, one example which is given here. Not only so here body paragraph, the first one is introductory paragraph, and last is a concluding paragraph. That is what usually you will find at least three paragraphs here. So the first paragraph and last paragraph, they are very, very important for us. So here you see in the concluding paragraph, the concluding remark will be there. It all speaks volumes of well planning on the part of the government. Rules made must be implemented. It is hoped that this concern, if published in your reputed newspaper, will awaken the authorities from their slumber, and the needful will be done at the earliest possible. Thanking you, yours faithfully. So Anup, okay. Now here choose the correct option. Like here it is given here. Now the question C on this. So they are going to give the, there's nothing much to do for you. There's no need of drafting and all. Okay, here it's much more easier, isn't it? But it's easier, but if you commit mistake, yes, you'll be losing all the marks. Like here, choose the correct option. Dash letters are sent to people whom we don't know on a personal level. Here, what is given? Chain, informal, formal, and reference. So dash letters are sent to people whom we don't know. So the now here informal letters are those letters. Yes, Sandeep. Yes, yes, Sandeep.
Nothing,
So here, for yes, you want to say something?
formal.
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 So that is the answer here. And for example, this one is a letter to the editor. That is also formal letter. So those people we don't know, for them we are sending this kind of letter. So likewise, they may give you the exemption. Now here you see which of these is not a part of a letter. Now here date, greeting, photo, signature. So which what is a photo is not essential when you are writing a letter. So date is very important. Greeting, respected sir, sir, that is what you are greeting. But there's no need for you to say good morning and all. But even when you are yes saying sir, salutation, that is greeting only. Respected sir. Yes. Vivekanand, you want to say something? Signature at the end, signature will also be there. So what all parts are going to be there in the letter writing, that you have to keep it in mind. So like these questions will appear. Okay, so let's go to the next one now. When you are writing a formal letter, okay, when you are writing a formal letter, yes, uh, I could see number has suddenly gone up. Very good. Okay, but remember, all these are very, very important from examination point of view. Probably those who are attending, you may be realizing that how important it is. See, all these days it was quite easy, but now it is not so easy. Okay, right. When actually I was going through notice writing and all, I found it not so easy unless you uh, go. I mean, attempt many of these questions. Then only you'll be able to become familiar with that. I was just going through before that. Then I thought notice writing I will take up later. Since you had asked me for article writing, I thought letter writing and then article writing. So long compositions I will take first, and then I will go to the short compositions. That is notice writing and classified. I hope it's clear to you what all is there for examination. What is there? Letter to the editor is there as far as letter writing is concerned, and another one is long composition article writing. So today let's see what all we can cover up. When you are writing a formal letter, what information might you need? What information is required? Now here when you are writing, yes, I'll just you can meanwhile just go through that till I admit. Oh, yes. Now here when you are writing a formal letter, what information might you need? You need a date, yes, names, contact details. So all these are required. See, answers are at the beginning we'll see with answers. Later on we'll take up those where the answers are not given. Okay, so I thought first I will take up that which is yes. So here, so let's have practice at the beginning, and then after that we can take up that rather than looking at that. So I thought first I'll take up this, and then later on we can practice where answers are not there. Those exercises we can do. But here you will find that dates, names, contact details, all these are required. They are very, very important when you are writing a formal letter. I hope I'm audible to you. Yes, it's clear, isn't it? Yes, boys.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I'm very happy to hear all of you. Yes, all right. When we don't know the recipient's name, how do we close and end the letter? Now, when we don't know the recipient's name, how do we close and end the letter? Now, whether you have to write yours sincerely, affectionately, yours faithfully, or none of these. When you don't know, actually, yours sincerely you will use when you know that person. But now you are not supposed to use yours faithfully. You can use yours truly. Actually, when you know a person, you should write yours sincerely. And if you don't know that person, then you have to write yours truly. You can write because yours faithfully nowadays it is not used. But since it is given here, so it's fine because they may follow that. We don't know because they may just take up. This is yes, this is what is the question bank that is prepared by these yes examiners. So that's why they have given here. Usually nowadays it should not be used, but since they have given, we can. If yours truly is not there, see yours sincerely you can write to your friends whom you know. Affectionately yours you can write to those yes who are very close to you, your relatives, your relatives. You can write that. Okay, shall we move on to the next now?
Sir,
Sample.
instead of you are faithfully, sir, you are truly you should write.
Instead of yours faithfully, you should write yours truly. See what has happened. Nowadays, they are discouraging to write yours faithfully. Why it is being discouraged? You are not faithful dogs. Like you were expected to be faithful when Britishers were here. So a lot of argument has taken place in the court, and they say we are not loyal to somebody or faithful to someone. So yours we are not faithful to a particular person. So that is what they talked about that, and that is the reason why they feel that it should not have been written. Okay. So nowadays they avoid writing yours faithfully. So you can write yours truly. There is no problem. Okay, because
So
that
if
shows
both options
loyalty.
are there, sir, which one to choose?
If both options are there, yours truly and yours faithfully, both options will not be given. They'll give with yours sincerely. Actually, sincerely you'll write when you know that person. Maybe a manager or anybody. You can write in a formal letter also. But if you know that person, then only you should write yours sincerely. Okay. But nowadays, what has happened? But now these kind of questions are there. That's why it has become tricky. I hope it's clear to you now. Okay.
Yes.
All right. If they have given yours faithfully, write straight away yours faithfully. But we went to one workshop and we were informed there that this development has taken place in recent years. But what happens? Everybody will not be aware of all that. Okay. Right. We'll move on to the next one now. Let's see here. You are Amit. See, earlier these kind of questions used to appear. Like you are Amit, then address they used to give. The main road leading to this colony has three open manholes, causing frequent accidents at night. The street light is also not available. Complete this letter to the editor of the Times of India, expressing your concern about the part of the authorities towards this situation. Also suggest ways to mobilize city dwellers with the help of school children for the cause of safety roads. So address is given here, date how it is written, you just see here date how it is written, then yes, the editor, okay, subject a dash, so they will give the options. Now we have to find out the subject, we have to find out, so all these blanks will be given, you have to find out that, and you'll be given options there. Okay, b a b, so subject how it is to be written. Yes, maybe notice writing if you see that how the title has to be written. There's a particular way of writing the title. There's a particular way of writing the subject. So that is very, very important for us. Okay, and then towards the dash. So through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the kind attention of the relevant authorities towards. So what is the issue there? It is about that. And then I would like to draw the attention of the relevant authorities towards the issue of three open manholes on the main road leading to a colony. These open manholes are turning into death traps for the residents who have demanded that the authorities concerned take steps to cover them. Okay, we'll just see here. Moreover, our colony has no street lights since the last 2 months. There are no street lights even on the main roads leading to a colony. With the open manholes and lack of street lights, see, the road gets dark even after 7 in the evening. People fear going out not only to avoid accidents, but also to avoid being prey to unscrupulous elements. Unscrupulous is a very important word for UPC, from UPC point of view. Dishonest. So unscrupulous can be robbers and all. The open, yes, manholes not only dash, but are also a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Motorists, elders, and children are the main victims of these manholes, and many times accidents have been reported due to these manholes. So whenever torrential rains hit the areas, yes, heavy rain hits the areas, they cause even more problems. Dash for the cause of safe roads. We plan to organize a student rally from Sunrise Apartments main gate to Mr. Rayan, the current MP's house, and hope this letter will elicit a suitable response from our elected representatives. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Amita. Okay, choose the most appropriate option. What is that? So, mobilization of city dwellers, they are not doing mobilizing all people, so not correct. Darkness around Sunrise Apartments, yes, that is a major problem. There are no street lights. That is the reason why he has written this letter. Road safety in the colony, concern about night accidents. So, yes, darkness around Sunrise Apartment. That's a, you have to state the problem there. So, subject. So you have to state the problem there. Then pitiable condition of local residents. Yes, what is that? Pathetic condition of residents of Sunrise Apartment, Gymkhana Road. Okay, condition of the residents there that you are talking about. I mean, you are giving the introduction of the problem that you have been facing. Yes, is it clear? It's not. Yes.
Now
Yes,
What's
sir,
audible.
audible.
what is happening? I mean, okay, fine. All right. Okay, I'm just going quickly this because it's a kind of revision. That's what I feel for you all. So I'm just quickly those who have joined today. Accidents happen. Accidents are on a rise. So you have to find out part of the sentence. Accidents are on a rise. So what part of a sentence will complete that? That is what you have to look for. So here, which will not be appropriate there, uh, wherever the blanks have been given there. That is what you have to find out. Wherever, yes, it is okay. Let's move to next now. Emit bad smell and cause pollution. Okay, right. To avoid the danger, to provide safety to passengers, to protect the passers-by, to mobilize city dwellers. Okay, what I will do, I'm just moving on to the article writing. Yes, am I audible now? Yes, boys, because a very
Yes, sir, but
important.
sometimes suddenly it is going, sir.
Okay, now it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think maybe a network issue, but I don't think there's a, because I could see that enough. Yes, there's no much problem as far as net is concerned. Okay, all right. I'm going to this now article writing. Okay, article writing is very important for you. So I thought we'll take up that article writing. Later to the editor, we have seen some samples, but we'll take up more samples later. Here also we are going to see some samples here. And article writing is a kind of writing that is written to reach a massive audience with the help of the press. In the case of article writing, so you can publish that in the newspaper or magazine or journal. Writing a newspaper article or writing a magazine article is a well planned activity. It requires a mind that analyzes situation and opinions. It is written in such a way that it can inform the mass about a certain topic. So the main aim of the writer here is to bring some difference in the manner of expression on a given topic. So let's go to this now. So what are the objectives of article writing? Why we write articles? So it brings out the topics or the matter of interest. So major matter. Yes. Vaishnav, not able to hear. Yes. The article provides information on the topics. Then it offers suggestions and okay. Shall I? Right. Hope now it's clear. Yes. I'll
Yes,
just
sir.
see that. Now it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. It offers suggestions and pieces of advice. Then influences the readers and urges them to think. The article discusses various stories, poems, persons, location. Okay, fine. Now very important part, that's a format of article writing. So format of an article. So an article must be organized in a proper way so as to draw the attention of the reader. The basic outline for an article writing is heading or title. For the article, there has to be heading. Then after that, writer's name is also required there. Then body of the article, introductory paragraph, then body articles, it will be 2 to 3, and then concluding paragraph. Ending paragraph is a conclusion. So there'll be introduction, then there'll be a body paragraphs, and the last one will be conclusion. So title and the writer's name, these two are very important here in the case of article. Now do's, add the writer's name. Don't write very lengthy article. So don't write very lengthy article. The heading of the article should be short, clear, and informative. The title should be lengthy and clear. Yes, it should not be lengthy. The title should be very short and it should be very clear. So what will happen? They may give blanks and you have to write the title there. Target the audience. So only the introduction and the conclusion should be attractive and attention seeker. Remaining body paragraphs, you are just filling up the information there. But the first paragraph, which is the introductory paragraph, has to be very, very attractive. Okay, so it has a, it should, okay, all right. So the first paragraph, that's introductory paragraph, it should have catchy words, catchy phrases. It should draw the attention. And concluding paragraph, you should be able to conclude on whatever subject you have been writing that. So these two are very, very important here. The language and the style of writing should be according to the concerning readers, right? One can advise, suggest, and give the solutions to a problem. So particularly those solutions or suggestions that should come at the end. So use proper punctuations. There must be only 3 paragraphs in an article: introductory paragraph, body paragraph, and concluding paragraph. Use any tense, person, voice, as many abbreviations and self-made words while writing an article. Okay. Now let's see the sample here. We are coming down to the sample. Now here first, let's see the question. With the usual media technology overtaking the print media, you have observed a decline in the people's interest in reading books. You are disturbed by this excessive dependence of the young on television and computer games as a source of entertainment. Write a speech in 150 to 200 words for your school magazine on the pleasures of reading. So like this question will be there, but now in the examination blanks will be left out like this, and there'll be options that will be given. So there'll be multiple choice questions here. Okay, so reading efforts pleasure like no other activity. It is deeply fulfilling and satisfying. What we'll do, we'll go one by one. Yes, Vaishnav, not able to hear? Yes, boys, Vivekanand? Yes. Now let's, you just try, probably you are able to, okay. Now A, question A, now here, though reading, when reading, as soon as you read, or while reading. So what is answer here? While reading. So while reading, if that is answer, just see here. Reading offers pleasure like no other activity. It is deeply fulfilling and satisfying. While reading, the reader is in direct communication with the writer, however distant we may be in time or space. So how you have to start a sentence? With what we can start a sentence? See here, what you do, you have to see here, full stop is there. So you have to think that you have to start a sentence. So with what you can start a sentence here? So the options that are though reading. So though reading, you can't stop there. So while reading is okay, or when reading is also fine, or as soon as you read. So but you have to see that how is the second clause. So the second clause, so how you are using the second clause, depending upon that, you have to use the first clause. So here the most appropriate is while reading. So what we'll do, second one, we'll just read first and then we'll see whether you can give the answer for that. Okay. Right. All right. Here, in anyway, I'm sharing the screen. Is it visible to you? Yes. Screen is visible. Are you able to? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Only voice is a problem, right? But here
Sometimes
I'm sometimes okay. Okay. How can you read as you read? And reading offers an infinite variety what to read. Okay. So now let's go to this. So what will be the right answer here? Dash. Now here you see the reader is fully focused and enjoys the content as well as the beauty and power of the language. So it is about reading. Dash according to one's taste. So what is according to one's taste? That is, or here knowledge, imagination, and the reader's own appreciation on the written word are some of the rewards of reading. So dash is according to the one's taste. So what is that? How can you read? No, it will not come at all as you read. So reading offers an infinite variety. So the most appropriate will be reading offers variety and offers an infinite variety. So let's see here. This will be the most appropriate. Yes, according to one's taste. So according to one's taste, what should come before that? That you should be able to remember. Yes, Vivekanand, any doubt? So like these questions will appear in the examination. Knowledge, imagination, and the reader's own appreciation on the written word are some of the rewards of reading. Dash into unknown cultures through books. So one can enter or what into yes. Now let's see what is the answer. Only one can venture or reading as one reads. If one is adventurous, one can venture. So here Ah, one can venture into unknown cultures through books. If you have got reading habit, then you can go into unknown cultures through books. For example, reading of Tolstoy or Chekhov gives us an insight into the life of the Russians, as a reading of Dickens gives us of the British, particularly of London dwellers. So, what was prevailing during that particular time? So, it tells about Russian society as well as British society of that particular British society of Victorian period and late 19th century during Tolstoy or Chekhov. Reading makes us more sensitive to human greatness as well as human sufferings. A reader of Premchand Shaw's stories dash. So the passage is quite interesting. The reader, yes. So answer here D takes us to the depths. We'll find that reading is necessary to. Will enjoy, acquaints us with the strengths and weaknesses of human character. So it tells a lot, particularly the novels of, Tolstoy, the strength of human character or weakness of human character. It talks about all that. Yes. Now acquaints us or makes us familiar with the strengths and weaknesses of human character. So let's see the options here and then we'll try to answer. Blocks of today there are more options. Today most of us visit the celluloid version and most of us visit the library. So let's see what will be the right answer here. All right. So what is here? Now here, reading makes us more sensitive to human greatness as well as human suffering. A reader of Premchand short stories. So see what is there. Only one can venture reading as one. If one is one can venture. If so, when you are reading, if one is adventurous, one can venture. Okay, and D. Let's see. Takes us to the depths. We'll find that acquaints us with the strength and weakness. That also we are seeing. And then blocks of yes. What is that? Today, most of us visit the celluloid version. Today, there are more options. Today, most of us visit the celluloid version. Most of us visit the library blocks. So, we are all depending upon the mobiles, mobile cells, and Android. So, we are depending upon celluloid cell rather than, celluloid option rather than any other option. So, we have got e-books. We are depending more on that. That is what the writer is talking about. I hope it's clear to you what kind of questions will appear here in the case of article writing. As far as notice writing, there are many examples of that. Yes, in the case of article, what is very important is the title. Then after that, writer's name is also very, very important. Then the body paragraphs, it should not be very 2 to 3 paragraphs you can have. Maybe first one will be introductory. Body paragraphs you can have 2 to 3. There's no problem. And the last paragraph will be concluding paragraph or ending paragraph. Okay. So we have seen the do's and don'ts also here. The heading, the title, how it should be in the case of, yes, article writing. Then target the audience. The language and the style of writing should be according to the readers. So use proper punctuations. So we have seen the example also here. Yes, boys, any other doubt? Any doubt about this?
No, sir.